Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I have checked into Maharashtra Nature Park, also called Mahim Nature Park, and I'm going to show you a nature trail of this place. So let's get started.
If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
So guys, I have come to this garden many times for photography, but for the first time I have signed up for an official nature trail by the park, and I'm very excited because normally I just go randomly. Today I'll actually come to know about what plants and creatures are found here. So let's get started.
We are entering the park. To the left we have the butterfly garden, and to the right we can go view the Mithi river of Mumbai. All this is one big circle guys, so don't worry, it is difficult to get lost here. We will start from the butterfly garden.
And right here, this is called as a blue tiger butterfly, this one. Right here. This is called as a blue tiger butterfly.
Here is the signature spider. Can you see the signature it has crafted on its web?
This tree is called as a sea poison tree. You see these trees around marine lines. The whole of the marine lines is covered with these trees. It's a sea poison tree and not an almond tree.
There are parakeets on this Indian gooseberry tree.
In Saudi Arabia, they have a fruit called as khajur. And then there is this Arabic term to khajur called as tamar.
Tamar.
So they thought it's an Indian date, so they named it as Tamar-e-Hind. So Tamar is khajur, Hind is India. So Tamar-e-Hind is tamarind, the khajur of India. Later when the English language developed, we literally translated the Arabic term Tamar-e-Hind into tamarind. Hirwa Chafa. Green. The flower is actually green in color. And Britishers took an idea, okay, the people in India love to call grass keepers as banyas. So let's name this tree as the banyas tree. So back then it was called as the banyas tree, banya ''s. So
Yellow flowers are there.
you can see the yellow flowers up there, and these are the fruits.
So does any animal,
No animal, no bird can consume this specific fruits. I don't know why. Still, it looks like it's a poisonous thing because the things are oozing out from it. The dye is oozing out. But still, after chemical processing, you can actually convert it into a usable dyes as such. So it's called as thespecia.
So guys, I have come to this garden many times and I've made many videos. If you want to check out my previous video, it's right here, and also with the link down below, you can go check it out.
We came the other way and are going to go left to view the Mithi river.
So this is the overflow of Powai Lake. It's called as a Mithi.
Going further left from the Mithi river area.
And this one is Kachnar. So if you see the flowers, they are actually lavenderish in color, but it has a small red color petal on it as well. People love to call it as a camel hoof tree and sometimes the blood orchid. In Sanskrit, there is a word called as Rakta Pushpa.
I didn't know that.
So there is a purple rump sunbird trying to nectar feed on the flower.
Oh, look at that.
The name of the flower is Tabebuya. It's a difficult name to pronounce. Tabebuya. And it's not a cherry blossom. Cherry blossom is totally different.
That is in Japan.
That's in Japan, yes. And this tree right above us, you see those cucumber kind of things. It's called as a yellow silk cotton, also called as a white silk cotton. So this one is the cotton which is coming out of those cucumber like things. So this is a flower, and right here there will be the formation of fruit. जब इस प्लांट को अपने बच्चे देने होंगे, ये कुछ ऐसा जाएगा. You saw that? So let's do it once again. See? ये हेलीकॉप्टर जैसे गिर गया.
Spin.
See?
Yeah, spinning.
So in Latin you call it as calicopterus. The common language is ukshi.
Oh, how lovely it looks. Yes.
All the dried flowers right here. The dried flowers will have the small fruit at the end. So the moment they fall off, they glide like a parachute. So it's a gliding mechanism. It's called as ukshi.
Now we will advance towards the nursery, and that will be the end of the nature trail.
So guys, I had a lot of fun at Maharashtra Nature Park and I got to know about so many new plants and creatures. It's definitely a garden you must visit in Mumbai. And if you like this video guys, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. That is my previous video about this garden. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel.